International School, Primary 4, first midterm, English Language, Lesson 2. Lesson English Pupil Book, Unit 2, Objectives, Comprehension, Eric the Viking, Vocabulary, Rhyming Words, Punctuation, Direct Speech, Spelling, Syllables, Grammar, Verbs, Writing, Planning a Story. Eric the Viking, Scheme of Work, page 14 to page 21, and Workbook, page 8 to page 11. This is the story about Eric the Viking, the warrior who lived hundreds and hundreds years ago. He loved to face challenges, so he wanted to find the island which the sun sets in the night. He told his idea to his wife. His wife didn't accept. But Eric the Viking decided to go to find the island which the sun sets in the night. After that, he called his son and said to his son to guard their home day and night until he returned. He took his sword, blue blade, and stood at the helm of the golden dragon. On his way, he faces challenges. Finally, he found the island which sunsets in the night. Now, you should read the Eric the Viking, page number 14 to 15, and you will find out the challenges he faced with his crew. Okay children, now we'll see what are the difficult words we can find from this story. Sought, past and past participle of seek. Live to tell the story. Survive a dangerous experience and be able to tell others about it. Heaving, to raise or lift with effort or force. We shan't make it. We are not able to do it. Blotted out. Destroy. There are some words in your glossary. Hen, where the ship is steered from. Port, the left side of a ship when facing forward. Starboard, the right side of a ship when facing forward. Flood, a sheltered section of the sea between high rocks. Right, now we'll see comprehension. A. Discuss the answers to the questions. Now you have to write these answers in your grammar book. The first question, what was the name of Eric's longboat? The answer is, the name of Eric's longboat is Dragon, Golden Dragon. Right, now next question. What was Eric determined to do? Eric determined to do to find the island or the country which sunset in the night. Right, like that, you can write other questions also. Find the answers from the paragraph. Right, now we'll see in vocabulary. Rhyming words. Rhyming words means two or more words or phrases that end in the same sounds. A poem or song whose lines end in rhymes. The use of rhymes in a poem or song. Examples: sheep, deep, keep, weep. Like that, you can find some other rhyming words in your exercise. Right, punctuation. Direct speech. Direct speech is when we write the actual words someone has spoken. We use speech marks at the beginning and end of the spoken words. We can use a comma to separate the spoken and non-spoken words. And also we can use a question mark or an exclamation mark at the end of the spoken words. Where is father going? Asked his son. Rocks to port, cried the lookout. Spelling. Syllables. Syllables are the sounds that make up a word. Each syllable makes a sound of its own. All syllables contain a vowel or a vowel sound. Tail is pronounced as one sound, so it has one syllable. Darkness is pronounced darkness, so it has two syllables. Horizon is pronounced hor-e-zon, so it has three syllables. Right, as the exercise, you have to draw a table like the one below and look at the extract from Eric the Viking on pages 14 and 15. Find and write down 6 words under each color. That is section A in spelling. Grammar. Verbs. Verb, a word used to describe an action. If the action happens in the present, we use a present tense. It can use as present simple or present progressive. For present simple, example, Eric sails his ship. So sails is present simple. Eric is sailing his ship. That is present progressive. If the action happens in the past, we use a past tense. It also has past simple and past progressive. In past simple, Eric called his son. Called is past simple. They were rowing. That is past progressive. Some past simple verbs are irregular. Examples, he took his sword. The take past tense is took. Golden dragon swung around. Swing past tense is swung. If the action happens in the future, we use the future tense. Future with will and future with shall. Eric will steer them. We shall row for that land. Writing. Planning a story. Under planning a story, there are 4 steps. First one is introduction, build up, climax and resolution. Under introduction, we have to look at the beginning of a story. The story readers are at the foot of the mountain. They find out the setting for the story and meet the characters. Then build up. From the beginning, in the middle of the story, characters may find themselves in a difficult situation. Climax. The top of the mountain is in the middle of the story when things get most difficult, frightening, or exciting. Resolution. From the middle to the end, things are sorted out, although they don't always turn out well. Right, children. Now these are the topics we are talking about today, and there are exercises in your workbook from page 8 to page 11. You have to do those also. Thank you very much.